Hello guys, today we are going to analyze the gold market for entire this week. Last week we just analyzed the gold markets. We just had Christmas, bank holiday. We didn't see any special movement here. But for this week, if you go on Forex Factor or Trading Economy, you can see that we have the important news. We have high impact news on Wednesday, Thursday, also Friday. And if you trade USD CAD, you have a good opportunity to go for a long or short trade on Friday. Maybe I will upload a video and at a specific time to give you the opportunities for your trades. So right now let's back into the market and see the daily time frame, and today we want to analyze the market from our high time frame to our low time frame here. So if you see the daily time frame, first of all, you know that we are between this huge range of price, okay, but I see some people think that this is for example, the structure of the market. We just a change of character here. We did break of a structure. For example, this is the new low, the high, and this kind of stuff. Actually, this is not correct. This is wrong. The true structure for a daily time frame is this one. This low to this high. Okay, and we are between this huge range of price. Anything can happen. We can see the trading range consolidation, and for example, price creating the liquidity, something like this, and anything. But right now in the daily time frame, the important things for me is this equal liquidity and this huge gap that we have here. If we go in a lower time frame, like 1 or 4 hour time frame, you can see that we have a good dimension here that you guys have a chance to go for a long trade. In that case, if you see that prices continue to come down, because this concept that we have here, the liquidity, the gap, and this kind of stuff. And we also in a uptrend in the daily time frame. These are good reason that you guys can go for a long trade here if you see that prices continue to come down. So right now let's go into forward time frame to see more details. So first of all, let me just zoom in. This is the structure in the forward time frame. So we are in an uptrend in a forward time frame, and it's okay. We just had this supply zone in a forward time frame that price just for the first time price just engulfed this supply zone, and we didn't see any entry point. We didn't see any good opportunity to go for a short trade here, but after that price just continue to go up to give us this new swing high in a forward time frame, and after that price just started coming down. So right now we have some ideas for long and short trades. If you see that price just keep coming down into this demon zone, and price just tap into this demon zone with a shadow, you guys can go for a long trade, and you guys need to watch your stop loss. For example, set your stop loss here. If you see that price just tap into this demon zone with a shadow, you can go for a long trade, and you can set your first target here, your second target, and your last target would be this demon zone. Or if you see that price just come down, price, and you see that the candlestick close under this shadow, in that case we have change of character. In that case we have the change of character. So again, we can see that price just keep going up. It doesn't matter. You can take your TP, and after that you can go for a short trade, for example here in this area, and you will see the break of a structure. So we confirm that we are in a downtrend in the forward time frame. Okay, if the things happen, or the case, price also can reject this dimension here and continue to come down into this dimension that we have here too. So if you see again in a good entry point here, you can go for a long trade here too. And in that case, again, we have the new low here. So if we break this low, we have the change of character, and you guys can go for a short trade on all swing high you see in a forward time frame. Actually, it depends on yourself to see, for example, analyze. For example, now we have the supply zone here. We just had a liquidity, we just had a gap, and this kind of stuff. So you decide that this area is a good area that you can go for a short trade. So you open your position, you set your stop loss, and you set your TP2. But let me just say that price just decide to come down, and we see the bearish trend. So we just have this huge equal low liquidity, we just have this huge gap. So if price come down, we will see that price just sweep this equal low liquidity. Price also can fill this huge gap, and if price just tap into this dimension, you guys have a good chance to go for a long trade with a good profit. And yeah, the things in a proper time frame. Let me just remove the things, I'm really sorry. Or let's say that price just tap into this dimension. You see that price just keep going up. It's okay. You open your position here. You set your stop loss here. You take your first target, your second target, your last target. Price can keep continue to go up. Again, the break. Again, we see the break of a structure, and the bullish trend also in a 4-hour time frame too. But let's go in a 1-hour time frame to see more details. So actually we just had this supply zone. This one is the, let me just zoom in, I'm sorry. Actually this one is hidden supply zone on a 1-hour time frame, and this one is our supply zone also in a 1-hour time frame. This is the structure in a 1-hour time frame. We did change of character, we did break of a structure. So in a 1-hour time frame we are in a downtrend, so we can go for a short trade here. And actually you can see that we have the trend line structural liquidity. We have this doji candle as our dimensions. So if price just break this low here and keep continue to come down, for you guys have a chance to go for a long trade here. Actually this is too risky because we don't have a specific price to set our stop loss, but you have a chance to go for a long trade from here. And you can target this level of price, this range of price, as your first target if you go for a long trade. So price will sweep this trendline structural liquidity and tap into this dimension, and you go for a long trade, and you take your target. And new swing low, new swing high, and we can see this bearish trend, and you also can go for a short trade on each swing high you see, as I told you in last minutes. And let's see here, this is that trendline structure liquidity that you saw in the 4-hour time frame, also this huge gap, the dimension, this kind of stuff, and yeah, the things. But right now forget about this one. Yeah, and watch this equal liquidity here too. This is really important. You also have a chance to go for a long trade here at this dimension, and this kind of stuff. If you see that price just break this high, we have the change of character, so prices can come down to some level, I don't know right now, for example dimension here or any reason, and yeah, break of a structure. So again we confirm that we're in uptrend in the 1-hour time frame too. And yeah, this kind of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good trading week.